Oh, good morning guys. Today is Thursday, October, ano ba ngayon? October 16. Punta na lang po tayo sa office ng in-applyan ko kahapon. Initial interview daw.
Awang isungar mo tadi kayak ni Emilia.
Parang 50-50 ako dito. Pero somehow, try ko nga pumunta kahit initial interview. Madadali naman ako dito eh. Try lang, try. There's still a what if. Nothing's wrong in trying as long as it is positive, not negative. Diba? Try lang ng try.